Okay, so it's been about 3 days since I painted this. It's been real nice and dry. Just letting it kind of bake and heal. It's still really rough. You can see. Yeah, it definitely needs to be sanded. I've just been letting it dry and getting nice and dried out. These guys turned out really nice. I think they did. I think that looks really good. I'm pretty much done with the inside of this. I've already clear coated it. I've got it done. Needs to be cleaned a little bit better, but the caulking went in nice. Got all good, smoothed down. I think it looks pretty good. It's about as professional as I'm gonna get. But yeah, pretty much everything I painted has to be sanded. I'm not gonna sand this. I've already clear coated that up and over here as well. That's how this one turned out. See, it's all caulked in there. Looks really good, I think. There might be a couple spots I need to put a little tiny dab in here and there. But all in all, you can't even tell there's anything in there really. Just standing over here or back. I haven't decided if I'm going to caulk up here yet. I'll have to see if it's getting wet. Hasn't really been raining much, so it's hard to tell. It was raining for a couple days, and then I got this done, and then it quit raining. So, but yeah, I got to go around and clean that up. I started to do just a little bit of sanding, so you can kind of see. It's pretty much the same as the other side. I haven't touched this, but then just getting right into this. Just giving it a quick sand. Using the, first off, I'm doing really light sanding with the 3-course. Just getting the kind of fuzzy, chunky stuff off like you see over here. And then I'm gonna go back over it. Pretty good with the 000. And then I have a couple bags of the 400. That'll be good enough for any kind of spray touch-up that I need to do. I was working on a spot on the hood here. Went a little far and ended up getting rid of the sparkling fleck that floats to the top on the black metal. So I'm gonna have to fix that, but I need to do painting anyway, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Alright, so I'm gonna keep on sanding. Alright, so I got 2 doors, the upper panel and the back panel and the rear bumper. Excuse me. It's kind of rough sanded real quick. I haven't gone over it again with the finer grain. This is just the number 3 grit steel, stainless steel scrubbies. Just went over the whole thing. Got a lot of like the nice rough spots. Make sure those were nice and smooth. Yeah, basically, and then just got to kind of there and just stopped. But I got this guy pretty good and sanded. Still gonna hit the roof up again. Might hit this guy again. See where I'm at in a couple more minutes here. Alright, so the Amazon guy came with the little sponges that I needed. I just really quickly, I'm doing a really light sanding. Very, very lightly, just barely even touching it with, they sent me, I think 4 or 5 different grits. This is like the 2nd heaviest. I'm not even gonna come close to using that. This is like the 3rd heaviest. There's 2 finer grades that I'll eventually get down to, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna hit it up with this one really quick, and then maybe another grade down, see where I'm at. Because I'm losing some sunlight. I still got like 2 hours left of sunlight, but I don't know how much I got left in me. Honestly, I've done a lot today. 2 other videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this up. I'm just showing you before real quick. There's that back right corner paddle I just did. So I guess there's the before. It's hard to tell with a varying light. But yeah, alright. Come back when I'm done with the first round. Alright, got it pretty good and sanded. The rough sanding, the first one. You can tell where I've clear coated. I haven't touched the hood or the bumper. But I went over the roof, the sides, the trim, and the top of the trunk. Basically left the front and the back alone because it's getting dark out and I want to get packed up and ready to get inside. I gotta figure out what I want to do with those. But yeah, I think that's about it for this one. I'm gonna try and tack on a little. Get more done tomorrow. I was gonna wash it off tonight, but then I'm like, well, I'm just gonna do it again tomorrow, so I might as well save myself the water bill. So that's what I'm gonna do. So until then, I know it's daylight, a little brighter out. You can see a little bit better, like right there. Skipped a little bit of a spot, right down there. There's a couple of spots, obviously along the edges, that are gonna need to be repainted. Little slips. Not really slips of the sanding thing. It's just nature of the beast. You lose some. Yeah. So I still have the rear to do. But overall, it's starting to looks pretty good. Nice and smooth. I don't think anything crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna keep at it, I reckon. Keeping at it.